So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about like you versus them kind of an energy. So for the one side we can see that what kind of an energy you having for your person, and as well as from the opposite side we can see that what kind of an energy your person is having for you. So for so right now I'm going to start with an fire element like Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So if at all you are an fire element like in any zodiac sign like Aries, Leo or Sagittarius, you can definitely watch this video. So especially for this July month, let's see about your person like you versus them. So what kind of an energy you are holding for your person and what kind of the energy they are holding for you. Okay, so let's start the reading now. Let's check with the tarot cards first, like from your side, like what kind of the energy you are having for your person, like what kind of a mindset you are having for your person. Okay, I'm just getting the jumping cards, by the way. Yeah. So bottom of the deck we have the Two of Wands. I think there is some kind of an waiting game is going on here. But anyway, you are holding on something. Maybe you holding on to your feelings or something like that. But there may be some kind of an right time will be come on your way so that you can take some kind of an actions. So as of now you are spending some kind of a time with your family members, and you are focusing on the things which you want to be focused right now. But anyway, you will take some kind of an action towards your person that I can see in your energy. So let's see like what are the extra cards we have been get from your side towards your person. So the first card we get a Queen of Cups. Wow, so beautiful. So the next card we get a Seven of Swords, and the next card we get the Temperance, and the next card we get the Tower. Okay. So I don't know, I'm just seeing something related to the pregnancy over here with the Queen of Cups. So maybe your person is dealing with any kind of a third party, or else they may be married with some other else. I hope so. So right now they could be in a pregnancy kind of a state. Well, it makes you some kind of an disturbance over here because you want to stay with this person. You need this person in your life. So somehow you just feel very bad about this person. You just feel that this person have been cheated you. This person may come into your life for only the materialistic world, not for any emotionally available. So somehow you just feeling this person have been left out in the cold. But at the same time, I can see that from your side, like now you also be exactly in this mindset. Maybe now you want to revenge this person for some kind of a fire element. I'm seeing that maybe you take some kind of a revenge towards your person like that. Okay, so what are the condition could be if at all this person not have any kind of a third party and this person is dealing with you, and in case your person is being pregnant, or what other condition could be. So if at all you are going with any kind of a problems, your problems will come to an end, because I hope so that now you have some kind of a plan. Because in the past you didn't have any kind of a plans like how it could be works and how it could be go. So in the future I can see that you will be take some kind of an action towards your person, and it will bring some kind of a balance. Right now you are focusing on your balance state, and you are getting some kind of a clarity over the situation, especially from your person end. So even though you are not communicating with your person, you are still watching them, like what they are exactly doing, like what kind of a mindset they have, what is going on in their life. So you are watching them from afar. Or else if at all you are in the same city, so what other condition could be, you are keeping an eye on them. I can clearly see that you are keeping an eye on them. Either you are spying through your person, or else you can spy from other IDs. What are the condition? Okay, so overall I can see some kind of a waiting zone from your end, and you are waiting for a right time as well to take some kind of an action towards your person, because I can see some kind of an clarity is coming on your way, or else maybe you get some kind of an clarity in the past itself. So I hope like in your side you wishing to take some kind of an action towards this person. If at all you guys are manifesting this person in your life, and you may be waited for this person from a so long time to communicate with you. you. And right now, I think that you maybe wait for this person or not, you will took the like priority. I mean, you will take the action now. It's not going to bother like either this person will be take action or not. So you won't bother about it, else you will be do like that. You will be take an action, you will take the priority, you will be take the stand. Well, you not bother whether your person will be take or not. So you're not in a waiting mode anyway, you will not in a waiting mode. So let's see from your person and like what this person is feeling about you. And exactly we can see their channel messages towards you as well, like what your person wants to say. So this is about your energy. You want to be settled down with the things, you want to clarify. And exactly, yeah, you already get some kind of a clarification, so you want to take some kind of an action towards your person, the reconciliation and some kind of an action towards your person. So let's see what your person wants to do with you, like what kind of an energies they're having for you, especially in this July month. Okay, yeah. So in the bottom of the deck I get the World card. Again, it is a major arcana card. Okay, so let's see like what kind of a cards we having it. Okay, I have get a like multiple cards. I don't want to take it. So yeah, the first card we get a Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, I think some kind of an situation. I think for maybe your person is already married, or your person is married with you, or I don't know what the situation could be, because some kind of a strong some married things are involved here in your connection. If at all you may be married this person, if at all you may like married with your person already, but still some kind of an some kind of an hesitation was been happened in the past in your relationship, where you don't know about like what kind of a clarity you like what you maybe doesn't aware about the things, like what is exactly happening on your relationship. So you need some kind of a clarity, and exactly you have get the clarity here. And right now you want to be take some kind of an action here. Okay, so where I can see that either you married with this person, or else this person have been married with some other, whatever the condition could be. Let's see, because with the Ten of Pentacles I can see that again the marriage vibe is very much heavy here. I don't know why, because something may be involved regard to the marriage kind of stuffs. So we are next card, it's be like a Knight of Pentacles. Okay, next card is a Devil. So next card is a Five of Swords, and then the last card is a World. Okay, so this person is trying to have some kind of a distance over you, because this person is feeling like making some kind of a distance over you, because with the Devil card and with the Knight of Pentacles, I can again see that this person is going into a very like pause button, like very slow when it comes to you. Whenever they are trying to put some kind of an action, whenever they are trying to put some kind of an effort, they are going in a very slow manner. They're not rushing into it, they're not coming instant and communicating with you, whereas now you are in a mode to communicate with them in a very faster, like a very instant. Okay, whereas your person is will not be taking any kind of an action. So that is a very good thing. If at all you want to be initiate, if at all you want to be communicate, you can go for it. Okay, rather than if at all you're waiting for this person, I think already you have been waiting for so long time, and again this waiting zone will be get continued. Okay, so please aware about it. Okay, so I think whoever they are dealing with right now, or else if at all this person is dealing with you, I think some kind of a toxic situation is going on in your relationship, and as well as if at all they are dealing with some other person as well, because when I see this Ten of Swords and this Devil and Knight of Pentacles, so if at all they are dealing with some other person as well, they are not happy in the relationship. They are maintaining to be make it as a healthy boundaries and healthy relationship, but it's not happening there. Okay, they are feeling very, very upset. They are feeling that some kind of a negativity through that relationship. Okay, and with the Five of Swords I can again say that this person is not exposing their actual feeling towards you. They are hiding you something. With the Five of Swords I can clearly say that they are hiding you something. They are not they are not saying it upfront, and they're just making whatever the moves, it's be like a pass button here. They're not rushing into it, and they're not taking any kind of an action, even though they're just fixing that they need to communicate with you, they need to talk with you, but still they are thinking this in their head. They are not doing it in an action. Okay, so if at all you want to communicate with your person, you can do communicate with that. So because of those things, I think some kind of an improvement will be happen in your relationship, because I can see with the temperance on your side and the world card on your person's side. So if at all you just go and communicate with your person, I think some kind of an improvement will be happen in this relationship. Okay, so some kind of a good changes, some kind of a good improvement will be happen in this relationship. So if at all so my advice is, if at all you want to take a stand towards your relationship, please go and take the stand. No, don't wait for this person, because this person will definitely put you in a pedestal. This person will definitely don't take any kind of an action. If at all you are waiting for this person, you need to be wait for this person. It will be like, again it will be like a hectic for you. Again this person will mess up the things. Again this person will like put you into the long waiting game. Okay, long period of waiting game. So if at all you want to take some kind of an action towards your relationship, please go for it. Okay, so next we can see what your person channel or messages for you, like what their feelings and channel or messages for you. Okay. Oh, I already get a lot of cards. Let me pull one by one cards. Okay, let's see for the fire element what your person wants to say to you, like what their feelings towards you. For the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So if at all you want to marry this person also, like I hope you should need to take a stand. You should need to take a step, because this person won't do anything. They have some kind of an they are some kind of an being like very little bit, they may be fearful or something like that. So true love stories never have ending. So this person know that you could be a perfect match for them. And by seeing this card, I have already said that maybe you have married with this person, or else maybe you guys or be like a partner, I hope so. Or else this person may married with some other person as well. Either they may be married you, or else they may be married some other person, because I can strongly feel the marriage kind of an energy here. Okay, even though this person have been married with some other person, but still they thinking about you a lot, but they doesn't know like how to take some kind of a solution over here and what they want to do, because you have the clarity, not your person have the clarity here. So that's the reason they are making some kind of a delay in this relationship. So next card we get, love doesn't not die because of it dies because of doubt. Okay, so because they know that you have some kind of a doubtful towards them. Yes, you have a doubt. Earlier you have a doubt about this about your person, but right now I think you maybe get some kind of a clarity. So you will try to fix the situation, you will try to fix your relationship. And the next card we get, lovers being stupid together. Okay, so again see there is 10 of Pentacles and with the 4 hearts over here. So again it's just giving me the it's just giving me the confirmation, like marriage kind of an energies. If at all you are married with this person, if at all you go and take some kind of a step towards your person, you maybe take some kind of a stand towards your person. So I think there may be some kind of an good improvement will be happen on this relationship. Okay, so you will definitely be happy about your relationship. Some kind of a good improvement and happy family vibe you will be getting, and love you forever. Yes, so it's again you guys are not in the like you guys are not exposing in a right way. Whatever you have, you are hiding from your side, and whatever they just feeling, they are hiding from their side. Okay, so that's being a problem here. So if at all you try to communicate, there may be some kind of a chances that your person will also try to be open up to you, and this situation will be get healed soon. So the relationship will be grow in a very better way. Okay, so if at all you want to communicate with your person, please go and communicate. That will definitely make some kind of a good sense, and that will bring some kind of positive changes in your relationship. So these are the messages I have been seeing for the fire element. I hope it could be resonated with you. If at all it could be resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe. And future I will be upload about the current feelings and next actions of your person, okay, like in upcoming videos of for this July month. So please stay tuned guys, and if at all, yeah, if at all this reading make you some kind of a good guidance or giving you some kind of a clarity, please do like, share and subscribe. If at all your friends and family members may like the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. Please share my videos to them as well, so that they can also get some kind of a guidance from by seeing my video. And if at all if at all you're watching my video for a very first time, so guys, please give your support, because your support is very very important. That really motivates me a lot. And so please give your valuable support for me. And like the way you are supporting on my YouTube, please give your support on my Instagram account as well, where all my, yeah, and as well as I want to say you that if at all you want to book any kind of a personal reading, you guys can reach out either on my WhatsApp or else my Instagram. So both WhatsApp number detail and the Instagram link have been given in the pinned highlight comment. You can check with that, okay. So yeah, and if at all you want to learn a tarot classes, I'm already teaching a tarot classes, okay. So if at all you want to learn a tarot classes from one basic to advanced, you can definitely join on my classes. So to get the detail, like more detail, you can again which is convenient for you, you can message me either on a WhatsApp or either on an Instagram. I will definitely reply within a day itself, okay. So all the details have been given in the highlight comment, so you can please check with that, okay. So please keep support guys, and keep stay tuned, because I will definitely upload a lot of videos about your love relationship, so that you get some kind of a good clarity and ideas. So see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye, fair sign, bye.